Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the power of compound interest. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to maximize your returns, understanding the concept of compound interest is essential. So, let's dive in. Compound interest is a powerful force that can significantly impact your financial future. But what exactly is compound interest? Well, it's the interest calculated on both the initial amount you invest and the accumulated interest from previous periods. The beauty of compound interest lies in its ability to generate exponential growth over time. The formula for compound interest is straightforward. It's P1 plus R N caret NT, where P represents the principal, R is the interest rate, N denotes the number of compounding periods per year, and T represents the number of years. By plugging in these values, you can calculate the future value of your investment. To better grasp the concept, let's look at a hypothetical scenario. Imagine you invest $10,000 with an annual interest rate of 8%, compounded quarterly. After 1 year, you'd earn $800 in interest. But instead of withdrawing that interest, if you reinvest it, your principal for the next period becomes $10,800. Over time, as your investment compounds, the growth accelerates and your money starts working harder for you. The benefits of compound interest are astounding. It enables your investment to grow exponentially, especially over long periods. When you compare compound interest to simple interest, which doesn't reinvest the earned interest, the difference becomes clear. Compound interest has the potential to create substantial wealth and help you achieve your financial goals faster. Now that we understand how compound interest works, let's explore strategies to maximize its power. Start early. Time is your greatest ally in harnessing compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. So, don't delay. Start investing as soon as possible. Increase contributions. Saving more money accelerates your growth potential. Whether it's increasing your regular investments or making additional contributions whenever possible, the more you put in, the more you'll get out. Choose high-interest investment vehicles. Seek out investment options that offer higher interest rates. Consider high-yield savings accounts, stocks, mutual funds, or other investment vehicles that have historically provided above-average returns. Reinvest dividends and interest. Instead of withdrawing the interest or dividends you earn, reinvest them into your portfolio. By doing so, you allow the power of compound interest to work its magic, generating even more growth. To harness the power of compound interest effectively, here are some practical tips. First, set clear financial goals. By defining your objectives, you can align your investments accordingly, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your child's education. Setting clear financial goals consists of: identify your priorities. Once you've identified your priorities, it's time to make your goals smart. It should be specific, which can clearly defines your goal. It should be measurable, which can make sure your goal is quantifiable so that you can track your progress. It should be achievable, which can ensure that your goal is realistic and attainable. It should be relevant, which can make sure they have a meaningful impact on your life and are relevant to your overall vision. And at last, it should be time-bound, in which you'll set a deadline for achieving your goal. Second, diversify your investments. Spreading your investments across different assets reduces risk and increases the likelihood of long-term success. Third, regularly monitor and adjust your investment portfolio. Stay informed about market trends, evaluate your investment's performance, and make adjustments if needed. Lastly, avoid common mistakes that can hinder compound interest growth. These may include emotional decision-making, wrong timing the market, or making impulsive investment choices. The power of compound interest is undeniable, and now you have the knowledge to make it work for you. Remember, start early, contribute regularly, choose wisely, and reinvest your earnings. These steps will set you on a path towards financial growth and help you achieve all your goals. If you found this video valuable, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more finance and business-related content. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, keep making your money work for you.